Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to reply WhatsApp message while playing game on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to reply to WhatsApp message while playing game allow for efficient multitasking, social interaction, coordination, and time management, enhancing both your gaming experience and communication capabilities. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, firstly, you can swipe each of the screen like this. Then click this icon. Okay, after that, open WhatsApp here. Then you are all ready to reply WhatsApp message received on your device. Okay, so the way to close it, you touch and hold this line and drag it to the remove option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to reply WhatsApp message while playing game on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.